Two security giants, two approaches, DIY versus premium. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ring, DIY security, budget-friendly. And on the right, Vivint, premium smart home security. Let's skip the marketing fluff and get straight to what matters. We'll score each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result for 2025 might just surprise you. So here's our game plan. Here's everything we're going to compare. First up, price and value, because let's be real, nobody wants to sign their life away for home security. Then we've got security and monitoring, smart home and automation, camera features, installation and usability, and, oh, of course, the app and ecosystem experience. Sidebar. Yes, we absolutely care about how it all works together. Let's get started. All right, kicking it off with price and value. First up, Ring. Ring is kind of the king when it comes to affordable home security. Like, seriously, their upfront costs are so much lower than most. Plus, you can just pay for monitoring if and when you want, and there are 0 contracts. The only catch? The hardware itself is kind of basic, and if you don't love the idea of DIY setup, well, sorry. You're the installer, friend. Now, switching to Vivint, which, let's be honest, is kind of the premium smart home package here. Vivint brings pro-grade gear and the install crew comes to you, but it's definitely going to cost you. Higher upfront pricing, the monthly monitoring is up there, and yeah, those contracts. You want that 5-star treatment? You'll pay for it. So, if you want to save cash and keep it simple, Ring takes this round hands down. Next, let's talk security and monitoring. With Ring, you can pick between self-monitoring or adding on some pro backup, which is nice flexibility, especially if you live in a smaller place or just want to keep an eye on things yourself. Video verification is solid too, with Ring Protect Plus. Just know, there's no direct emergency integration like Vivint does, and if you want pro install, well, not happening. Now, Vivint honestly feels next level here. You get 24/7 professional monitoring, no app dependency here, just straight fast response, like around 30 seconds on average. Visual and audio verification, direct emergency help, the whole 9 yards. But you do gotta stick with Vivint's monitoring, and you can't really go full DIY. If hardcore security is a must, Vivint's the winner for this round. All right, let's nerd out a bit about smart home and automation. Ring gives you the classics, Alexa integration, basic automations, easy routines, but that's about it. If you want anything more, like controlling your lights, thermostat, garage, you're going to hit some walls. No real smart hub magic either. Vivint, though? Oh, wow. It's got this crazy smart hub with a massive touchscreen. You can control everything. Locks, lights, garage, sensors, even schedules and geofencing. The system learns what you do and adapts. It's wild. Honestly, the only downside here is some of those fancy features need a pricier plan, and there's a bit of a learning curve. But if you want a true smart home, Vivint is the obvious choice. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Vivint's AI-powered cameras can actually spot and try to scare off intruders before they even make it to your door? That's some sci-fi level stuff happening right in your porch. Let's dive into camera features. Ring is all about options. Indoor, outdoor, doorbell cams, spotlight cams, you name it. Add-ons are super affordable, and with their premium plan, you get video AI search, which is pretty handy. But if you stick to the basic plans, you won't get those next-gen video analytics, and it doesn't scare off intruders like Vivint. Now, with Vivint cameras, you're getting some crazy good stuff. 4K video quality, HDR, built-in spotlights and sounds to actively deter anyone snooping around. Custom detection zones, the works. The hiccup is they don't have as many camera models and you kind of have to get them bundled. So honestly, both are strong in their own ways. It's a tie for camera powers. Let's talk about installation and usability. Ring is DIY heaven. Watch a couple video guides, grab a screwdriver, and boom, you're set up in about an hour. That's awesome for renters, or if you like handling things yourself. Downside, of course, is if Wi-Fi placement trips you up or you want help, you're kind of on your own. Vivint, on the other hand, comes with pro installation. Someone just handles everything, gives you a full consult, and tweaks settings to fit your home. Downside? You gotta schedule that install, so no same-day action. And there's no DIY option at all. Honestly, both are pretty user-friendly if you fit their vibe, so this round is a tie. Last but not least, app and ecosystem. Ring's app is simple, works well for video and arming. It's solid for just checking in and keeping tabs, but if you want to manage all your devices or set up deep automations, it's not really built for that. Vivint's ecosystem? Whew! Everything's in one app or through the hub. You get full control, smart automations, detailed alerts, recommendations, even analytics about how you're using the system. It can feel overwhelming at first, and yeah, some features cost extra. But if you want that unified smart home feeling, Vivint's definitely taking the win here.
If you look at the big picture,
Price, security, smart home, cameras, installation, and app features, each system really plays to its strengths. Ring's got the budget and flexibility, and Vivint goes hard on premium features and peace of mind. So, to sum it up, if you want affordable security you can set up yourself, or you're renting, or just don't want to commit for years, Ring is absolutely the way to go. But if you want pro-level gear, advanced automations, and don't mind paying or settling in for a long haul, Vivint is honestly an awesome upgrade. Both are solid, but your choice comes down to what fits your lifestyle. Got more questions about smart security stuff? Drop a comment, ask for personalized recs, or tell me if you want a deep dive on any one feature. I'll help you figure this thing